Maraming viewers ang excited na sa house journey nila pero walang idea kung saan magsisimula. Paano tinutulungan ng mga real estate salesperson ng mga home buyer para maging ready na sila sa pagbili ng bahay? Here's how we will guide you.
Number 1 is consultation. Importante na malaman namin yung needs mo as home buyer, your desired location, your ideal budget, your purpose, and how soon you want to move. Each home buyers, iba-iba ang sitwasyon. And we have thousands of inventories na hawak. Importante ma-define muna natin to bago makapag-recommend ng best option. Hindi lang basta bebentahan ng bahay.
Pre-qualify. Madalas ng mga units natin ay non-refundable. Mahirap yung nagbabayad ka na ng monthly mo tapos madedecline ka lang sa loan. Dito papasok ang skill ng real estate salesperson mo to pre-qualify. Kung saan i-review na namin ang requirements, capacity to pay, and i-ensure din namin na qualified ka sa loan. Dito na rin kami nakakapagbigay ng expert advice kung may makikita kaming dahilan kung bakit hindi ka ma-approve. Based from our years of experience and thousands of clients na na-approve na rin sa loan.
We will help you in terms of presentation ng project. We will also give you the information about sa research na nagawa namin sa neighborhood. And lastly, we will assist you sa site viewing natin. In the end, ikaw pa rin naman na magde-decide. Remember, we are just here to help you make a well-informed decision and not just force you to buy.
After sales, ang scope of support ng agent is to guide you sa pagbili ng bahay. Pero, we can still provide guidance even after ng sale, especially if you need someone to point you to the right people or department for your after-sales concerns. We will work hand-in-hand with the developer to ensure that we help you with your concerns.
If nagustuhan mo ang services namin and you have decided to send us your friends and relatives, we give out referral fees as a token of appreciation for trusting us, and at the same time, this will give you extra income.